Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how we can create an in-place upgrade task sequence in SCCM. We can use this in-place upgrade task sequence to upgrade any devices to a different Windows version without completely re-imaging it or losing the data. And let me show you the step-by-step process. The first process, we need to get the ISO. So currently I'm building the in-place upgrade for Windows 11. So I have downloaded the ISO already. It's a 7 GB file, whatever version you want to upgrade in your in-place upgrade task sequence, you need to get that ISO and right click the ISO, simply click on mount. Okay, so the first step is downloading the ISO. Second step is mounting the ISO. So exactly we are looking for this extracted data and the specific setup.exe file. You have to copy all this content to a network drive, which you can share and in the SCCM. So I've created this drivers folder and I have given the network permissions to this folder. So what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to copy this network drive in my SCCM. So once you have the driver, once you have the ISO and once you have extracted to a network path, copy the path location and come to operating system upgrade packages. So to create an in-place upgrade task sequence, first of all, you have to import the setup.exe or the ISO extracted details in the SCCM. So right click on this, add operating system, and you need to give the path. Browse. So this network drive is already shared, so I'll select this folder. I'll select this check option and I will simply click on next. I will select Windows 11 Pro for workstations and next. We'll select United States. And I'll select a US, sorry, English India. I'll select the x64, Windows 11. My operating system is 25H2. Next, next. And I can see it should start importing everything. This can take several minutes. And we can see that we have the Windows 11 25H2 operating system upgrade package ready. So our final step, which is creating a task sequence. So right click on task sequence, create a new task sequence. Over here, you need to select the option which says upgrade an operating system from an upgrade package, the upgrade package that we have created, and we'll use this option. Click on next, name it Windows 11 in place upgrade. Click on next. You need to select the same package. It will ask you for the package. Click on browse. You will be able to see the package that we have imported. Click on OK. Click on next. Now you have some options to edit. You can add update option. I will just keep it to not install any of the software update as of now. Click on next. I don't want to install an application as well, but if you want to, you can simply go ahead and add those applications, whatever you have created. Once you've added, if not, just simply click on next. Next. And you should be able to see your in-place upgrade task sequence in the task sequence section. Now you can simply go ahead and deploy it, the collection you want to, and this is how you can upgrade the task sequence to any of the devices. There are few things that it will give you a specific kind of warning message stating this is a high risk deployment because it can upgrade any of the devices. You can select the deploy collection. It won't allow you to deploy it more than 200 devices, I guess. But yeah, you can simply set the available and the expire time and the scheduling time. Always remember, like as a good practice, add the expiry of the deployment because sometimes if after the deployment has been scheduled, the device is not available, it can perform this upgrade in between a production hour. So try to keep the deployment as expire, and that how you can simply deploy the in-place upgrade task sequence, and then you can create one in-place upgrade task sequence SCCM. Thank you so much.